In the heart of a deep jungle, there lived a clever monkey named Meeko, known for solving problems. One sunny day, Meeko heard a cry. He rushed towards the sound and found a small cat trapped under a fallen branch, its paw bleeding. Meeko used a long stick as a lever and freed the cat, then carried it to a safe spot where other animals could help. Meeko didn't notice a hunter's net hidden nearby. As the cat limped away to safety, Meeko got caught. He tried to use his quick mind to escape, but the ropes were too tight. He couldn't save.